The mist clings heavy to the fjord tonight. Two shadows moving in the pale moonlight. I check my axe, you sharpen your blade. Side by side we are never afraid. You want a ghost following in my wake. You're the shield that holds when the mountains quake. A queen of the forest, a wolf in the fray. We march to the rhythm of the iron gray. Equality carved in the runes we bear. The weight of the world is a weight we share.
The ravens are watching from the ancient tree. I look at you and I see me. No step behind, no soul to lead. Together we plant the warrior seed.
Gold in the fire,
Silver in the soul.
two halves of a heart making the circle whole.
When the shields clash loud and the arrows fly,
I got your back beneath the northern sky.
through the thunder and the rain, through the mud and the strife.
You are my shield, made the breath of my life.
And if we fall where the cold winds blow,
Together to Valhalla we will go. They talk of the berserkers, the rage and the heat, but a man is a fool if his heart's incomplete. I honor your strength, I honor your name. In the halls of our home we are one and the same. When the line breaks thin and the danger is near, you're the silence of steel, the end of my fear. A bond forged in eye and the love beyond breath. We walk through the valley of the shadow of death. My backbone, my brother, my lover, my light. The fiercest star in the darkest night.
gold in the fire, silver in the soul.
Two halves of a heart making the circle whole.
When the shields clash loud and the arrows fly,
I've got your back beneath the northern sky.
through the thunder and the rain, through the mud and the strife.
You are my shield, made the breath of my life.
And if we fall where the cold winds blow,
Together to Valhalla we will go.
I will never retreat, I will never look back. I'm the lightning that strikes in the middle of the pack. If you bleed, I bleed. If you stand, I stand. The fate of the gods is held in our hands.
Until the halls of gold, side by side, till Valhalla.